Right, hands up if you've ever looked at your garden and thought, it needs something, but I can't quite figure out what. 9 times out of 10, it's the edges, those magazine gardens with their crisp, defined borders. That's what makes them look so polished. But here's the thing, you don't need landscaper prices or heavy materials to get that look. Today I'm showing you 7 DIY garden edging ideas that are budget-friendly, genuinely easy to install, and honestly look like you hired professionals. Number 5 might just be the simplest, most magical garden edge you'll ever create. It costs almost nothing but looks high-end. Let's get into it. Hey there, welcome to No Fail Garden. If you're new here, this channel is all about practical gardening without the expensive gear or backbreaking work. Just real solutions that actually work. And if you've been here before, welcome back, friend. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop videos every week with budget-friendly tips that transform your garden. Right. Let's start with something you might already have sitting behind your shed. Quick question before we start. What's stopping you from adding garden edging? Is it cost? Physical difficulty? Not knowing where to start? Drop a comment. I want to know. Idea number 1. Brick edges with natural character. Old bricks. Those leftover pieces from projects past are about to become garden gold. Have you noticed how expensive garden centers make edging look? Well, here's the secret. Aged brick has more character than anything new could ever offer. Lay your bricks in a shallow trench, just an inch deep, along your garden edge. You can place them at a slight angle for a classic look, or lay them flat for a cleaner edge. Work at your own pace, maybe just a few feet each day while you're having your morning coffee in the garden. No cement needed, no perfect measurements. Just place them where they look right to your eye. Remember, gardens aren't meant to be perfect. They're meant to be lived in and loved. Over time, a gentle layer of moss will embrace those bricks, especially in partially shaded areas. That natural aging gives your garden the look of established elegance that no new installation could ever achieve. It's honestly gorgeous. While younger gardeners are power washing moss away, we know better. Some things are more beautiful with age. Tell me in the comments, do you have old bricks lying around? How many? Let's see if we can put them to use. Idea number 2, recycled roof tiles as curves. Have you ever noticed those curved terracotta roof tiles? Those half cylinders that usually end up in landfills? They're about to become the star of your garden edge. Next time you see a neighbor re-roofing, ask if you can take a few tiles, or check your local salvage yard. They're usually just a pound or 2 each. The natural curve creates an elegant, scalloped edge without any cutting or shaping. Simply place these curved tiles on their sides, nestling them slightly into the soil along your flower bed. The gentle terracotta color brings immediate Mediterranean charm. It's like a little piece of Tuscany in your backyard. These tiles are lightweight but stable. You can arrange them while seated on a garden stool. No heavy lifting required, and they're wide enough to act as a barrier for mulch without needing to dig deep. Want them to look aged faster? Brush them with yogurt mixed with water. They'll develop a beautiful patina even quicker. That's a trick I learned from an old gardener years ago. Sometimes the old ways really are the best. Question: would you try the yogurt aging trick? Or does that sound too weird? Be honest. Idea number 3, solar light borders. Let's talk about borders that serve double duty, defining your spaces beautifully by day while lighting your path by night. Those inexpensive solar path lights from garden centers? They're not just for walkways. Placed closely together, they create a stunning border that transforms as the sun sets. Choose solar lights with stakes. Space them evenly about 20-30 centimeters apart along your garden edge. For the most elegant look, select lights with simple designs and similar heights. During daylight, they create a clean, defined edge. But as evening falls, they cast a gentle glow that outlines your garden beds like stars. Installation couldn't be easier. The stakes push straight into soil with minimal pressure. No digging, no bending for extended periods. And the improved evening visibility means you can still enjoy twilight moments in the garden. I found that warm white lights bring a particularly elegant look, like having your garden softly spotlit. And unlike most borders, this one changes with the setting sun. 2 personalities in one installation. Tell me, do you spend time in your garden in the evening? Or are you more of a morning gardener? I'm curious. Idea number 4, log slices or wood rounds. Nature provides some of the most beautiful edging materials, and this idea brings the forest right to your flower beds. Remember that tree that came down last year? Those logs might hold the secret to beautiful edging that looks both rustic and refined. Slices of logs, like wooden coins, cut about 5 centimeters thick. Many garden centers sell these pre-cut now, or tree services will often give them to you if you ask when they're working nearby. Simply place these wooden rounds side by side, nestled halfway into the soil. You can position them vertically like miniature fence posts, or lay them flat for a scalloped edge. Unlike heavy stone, these are lightweight enough to position while wearing garden gloves and sitting on a stool. There's something deeply satisfying about bringing the warmth of wood into garden design. Brush the tops with clear, water-resistant sealer. This extends their life and brings out beautiful grain patterns, all those growth rings telling the tree's story. As they weather to silvery gray, they take on the distinguished look of a garden that's been lovingly tended for generations. Quick poll: Team rustic wood or Team clean modern lines? What's your garden style? Drop a comment. Idea number 5, concrete block end caps. The designer look. Right, this is the one I mentioned earlier. Modern, clean line borders that look like they came from a high-end landscape architect. You've seen those sleek concrete edges in magazines, yeah? The kind with smooth surfaces that give gardens a contemporary feel. I'm about to show you how to get that look for pennies on the pound. Concrete block end caps. These are the flat pieces used to top off concrete block walls. Available at any building supply store for just a couple of quid each. Simply place these rectangular blocks end to end along your garden border. You can set them flat as a mowing strip or sink them partway into soil for a more integrated look. Their weight means they stay in place without mortar or fasteners. On strong days, you might place several. On challenging days, even setting 1 or 2 gives you progress. The clean lines mean precision isn't crucial. Small gaps between them still look intentional. Consider painting them a color that complements your home. Soft charcoal gray or terracotta wash can elevate them from building materials to designer accents. Your backyard just got designer style for pocket change. This is the border that makes visitors wonder if you hired professionals. And you never have to tell them otherwise. Confession time. Have you ever done a budget DIY that turned out looking expensive? Share your wins in the comments. Idea number 6, vintage forks as whimsical wire holders. Now for something with a touch of whimsy that brings smile and sparkle to your garden. Head to the thrift store and look for mismatched silver-plated forks, pennies each. They're about to become garden art that makes people stop and smile. Take old forks and gently bend the tines to create a curve. Push the handle end into soil along your garden edge, leaving those curved tines arching above ground. Now weave thin garden wire through the tines, connecting fork to fork like a miniature fence. A delicate, sparkling border that looks like fairy garden architecture. You can bend the forks entirely while seated at a table indoors, then take them out and press them in one by one. The silvery glint catches sunlight and adds unexpected sparkle. And they're lightweight enough to move seasonally whenever your design evolves. Choose forks with different patterns on handles. The variation adds character. Visitors will be enchanted. Guaranteed conversation starter. Be honest. Does this sound too whimsical or absolutely brilliant? I need to know where you stand on quirky garden decor. Idea number 7, painted roof slates. For our final idea, let's combine practicality with artistic expression. Flat roof slates make perfect garden edges on their own, but with a little paint, they become garden jewels. Collect flat roofing slates from salvage yards or building reuse centers, usually very cheap as leftovers. Their natural dark color already makes them attractive. Here's where you add your signature. Paint simple patterns on them, stripes, dots, flowers, even house numbers if they're bordering your front garden. Use exterior paint while comfortably seated at your patio table. Press these decorated slates vertically into soil, leaving about half showing above ground. Natural weight keeps them in place. It allows creative expression. Those hands that have created beauty for decades can now bring that artistic touch to the garden. The contrast between natural slate and painted designs changes with seasons. In spring, they stand out against green growth. In summer, they're accents among lush planting. In winter, they add color to dormant gardens. Art meets function. Your flower beds smile back. What would you paint on yours? Patterns, colors? Tell me your design ideas. Right, before we wrap up, let me share quick planting tips for each border style. Brick edges. Plant low-growing herbs like thyme that spill gently over. releases fragrance when you brush past. Terracotta tiles, Mediterranean herbs like lavender and rosemary, silver blue foliage echoes the warm clay tones. Solar lights, pair with plants that move in evening breezes, ornamental grasses or white flowers that glow in the lights. Wood rounds, woodland plants, ferns, hostas, native wildflowers, creates harmony with the natural wood. Concrete blocks, clean-lined architectural plants, strappy-leaved plants, or small ornamental grasses. Fork borders, delicate blooms like alyssum or sweet peas that match the airy quality. Painted slates, choose flowers that pick up colors in your designs. Blue patterns, blue lobelia, yellow designs, coreopsis. See how the right plants can make each border style shine even more? Final thoughts. So there you have it, 7 budget-friendly garden edging ideas that create that polished look without the landscaper prices in a few bricks, some old forks, even leftover roof tiles. Suddenly your garden looks like a magazine cover. What I love most, these honor 2 things: materials being given new purpose and your ability to create beauty without strain. The beauty isn't just in the materials, it's in the hands that place them thoughtfully. These borders remind us that limitations, whether budget, physical strength, or time, aren't barriers to beauty. They're invitations to creativity. Right, which edging idea are you most excited to try? Drop a number 117 in the comments and tell me why. Or do you have a clever border idea we didn't mention? Share it. The best gardening ideas have always been passed between friends. If this video sparked ideas for your garden, smash that like button and subscribe to No Fail Garden if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you catch future videos with practical, budget-friendly garden solutions. Next week, fragrant plants that bring joy without demanding heavy maintenance. Perfect for engaging all your senses without exhausting your energy. Thanks for hanging out with me today, garden friend. Your garden doesn't need to be the biggest or most elaborate to be the most loved. It just needs to reflect you. Now get out there and create some beautiful edges. I'll see you in the next video.